What's up guys? Back here in Tokyo Auto Salon day 2 with my dad. So as you know, yesterday hindi tayo umabot eh. It was past 7 PM already and we weren't able to finish everything. Today we're going back to the Yokohama Wheel booth to see if we like their booth. You know naman we like their booth kapag may freebies.
It's chaos today.
Oo nga eh, grabe. Sobrang daming tao ngayon. Yokohama Wheel. Super nice cars over here. Thank you. Meron guys, may freebies tayo. Yeah. Ganda oh. RC2. So for a while guys, ito actually yung favorite wheel ko. Back in 2014, 2013, when the A6 was released, this wheel was the king. New wheel for the Jimny. So it's flow form lang, di ata siya forged eh, no? Mas mura yan, mura lang dapat yan. Flow form lang siya, hindi siya forged eh.
42,000 o 80K, one set for 4. Pwede na.
Up Garage may sariling upuan na guys. They have their own racing seat. I wonder how much this costs. Team Up Garage. Para siyang kopya ng ano eh, Recaro SPG. How much?
18,000.
Not bad. 18,000 pesos for this racing seat. It's comfy. Guys, we're now in the Goodyear NASCAR iRacing booth. Let's see what they have. So if you guys have been to my YouTube channel, you probably saw that I race an FK8 too. And one of the main competitors of the FK8 is the Renault Megane RS Trophy. And they have it here. We don't have this in the Philippines. I want to check it out. We're here in the IPF booth, and this looks very familiar. Except that this is a JB64, so it doesn't have the over fenders. The step board is actually a light bar. I like this booth kasi may libreng poster, product lineup for 2020. Parco and Acre Brakes booth. This is what I use for my Honda Jazz. It's the Formula 700C. So guys, we're here now at the Enkei booth. Let's see the wheels that they have. My favorite wheel, the RCT5. Wow, this looks so nice. Also this one. Oh my god, this is my favorite wheel. The RPF1 RS. And then your regular RPF1. With the RS05RR. Bagong kulay. Gold with machine lip. So we're now in the bride booth. So this is their new seat. The ZX 4.
Try it.
Subok. Uy, maliit yung size. Uy, ganda. Sarap. ZX 4 wide.
Right for me.
Have the bright GK5 fit that they use in the ST5 class. So these guys are running, I'm pretty sure, about -4 camber. The HPI booth, they got some GTR stuff here. HPI has really good harnesses, lots of racing harness here. Ganda na to. S1 M spec, the real deal. Here at the Carstyle booth with the two Jimnys, the 64 and the 74. This was the 74 that was featured in the SEMA Auto Show, and now it's here. We get to see it up close and personal. Super duper nice car. It has a Saito roll cage. And it's a dash dodger, so it dashes it dodges the dashboard. This is so nice. So my dad has been looking at these Jimnys for the past 15 minutes. Still there, looking. Finished eating, guys, and now we're in Laile Beatrush booth. I like the wheel setup of this one. Reverse staggered with big camber up front. Yo, it does 103 on Tsukuba. that's it for hauls 1, 2, and 3. If you want to see other videos of the other hauls, just check out my other videos on the channel. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share this video to your friends, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.